Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. I've had a few phone calls regarding Astra blades, the double-edged razor blades, the Superior Platinum, and the Superior Stainless blades. Superior Stainless, Superior Platinum. And what they were asking about, gents who called in, were asking about the numbers on the blades. Previously, I had shown in a few videos that Astra blades have numbers like this. Not sure if you can see it, but there's 1, 2 on one side, and then on the other side, there's 3, 4. And these are also stamped on both sides, Astra Superior Platinum. And so you blade flippers who flip blades in between shaves, and you think that possibly you get a longer lasting blade by doing so, it's quite possible, but I don't know if there's any scientific evidence to prove that. But if you do it, that's fine. This will make it more difficult for you. You won't be happy about this. They've eliminated the numbers on the blades. So what they are doing now is this is the old blade, Astra Superior Platinum. The new blade, it is just going to be printed on one side. As you can see, one side is blank, completely blank, nothing on there. And then it will be laser inscribed on this side, Astra Superior Platinum. And it's a little harder to read that. And they no longer have the numbers on the blades. So unfortunately, you'll have to keep track of your flipping another way. Maybe take a Sharpie and put a mark on the blade, something like that. I did a little research because I was curious. I thought, wow, I wonder if these blades are counterfeit. Are they real? Are they legit? What's happening? So the email I got back was, this is to inform you that we will be changing the way we print our double-edged blades and transfer to the new laser marking technology. This will deliver a completely new and improved appearance of the product. Important points. There will be no impact on shaving performance using engraved versus printed DE blades. So what they're saying is the blades shave performance exactly the same, no change. Laser marking on blades will be done on one side only, as you see right here. Laser marking is significantly harder to counterfeit, so that might play a big part in why they might be doing this. And this will be executed as a blind change, meaning they're not going to change the packaging. The old package for the Superior Platinum is the same, no change from the new to the old. And the same thing with the Astra Superior Stainless, no change from the new to the old. It still will remain the same. So I just wanted to let you know and hopefully clarify things, just so you know that the blade itself should be no change as far as sharpness, durability, shave provided, anything like that. So the only change will be in the physical appearance of the blade. Instead of Astra Superior Platinum with numbers printed on both sides, like so, it will just be Astra Superior Platinum laser inscribed on one side with nothing on the other side. So I hope that clears things up for you. By the way, if you want to pick up any of these blades, ShaveNation.com. Thanks very much for watching. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day.